All right, last part. Let's get our footer going. So we want to grab that section, right, and give it a background color. So give your footer section a background color, a copyright symbol, the name of your fake company, and a year, style of the text. So let's see here what we do. So we need to get the section and we change the color. So I'll just use our wonderful purple color. Whoa, what did you do? I forgot to put a combo class on, right? Because that affected all the sections. So let me say section footer. And now let me say that your background image is, your background color is this. Now what would be nice is to not have this abutting each other. So I'm going to go ahead and, while I'm on this section, give it a little bit of a margin top. Now actually I think later I say maybe make it sticky. Also see that there's this bottom stuff here going on here when I did that. So what's happening there? We don't know yet. Let's not worry about it till we start putting in some content, because sometimes Webflow does some weird things with the heights and stuff. So what do I need? A copyright symbol, the name of a fake company, and a year. That's easy enough. All I need is a p tag. Give me a p tag. Get in there. Let's change it. So we need a copyright symbol. Now, can I type and copy, and will it turn into something? Ripka Enterprises LLC 2020. And so there's a problem here. I need to change this one's color so that I can see it actually. Let's just turn it white. There we go. So now we have this and copy. So that tells me it doesn't render these things. So there's two ways to do it. Maybe futz with the code. The simpler thing is to figure out how to type a copyright symbol. And a copyright symbol is what? Command G. And there it is. So that one's in there fine. So, or Option G. Well, it's something with G. Whatever I just pressed. I should probably know what I just pressed, right? Option G. So there's that. We should probably put some padding on things, right? So where's my padding? Boop, boop, boop. Padding, right? We want some padding. Why are you not giving me on both sides when I hold Option? There we go. Just wasn't holding it. There we go. 40. And we've got there. So that's really as simple as that is, but there's this space down here that is bothering me. And so the question is what is that? And so we have to look at our margin and see, oh, look, I somehow put there, or either it was there or I put it there, but I turned that to 0. And how is it? Still got an issue here. What is the issue with the bottom? That's a good question. So as I roll over that, I feel like it's still part of this. Let's see what's going on in the container. Okay, we got this spacing of some that. That's 20 pixels of margin on this paragraph. I mean, there's two ways to save that, solve that, is to go to change the overflow to auto, but probably we don't want that space. So probably better is just to gank out that, right? Again, you got to kind of work with what Webflow is putting in for you and learn how to override it, right? And then I see something's happened here. Why now all of a sudden does my thing have a problem up here? You can always be looking and seeing when things go wrong. So I'm going to go up here and try to figure out, oh, I see what it is. When I put things on a section, I didn't make a combo class. And so it added it to all of them. So that's bad. I did something bad, and I probably showed you someplace without doing a column class. I probably did it over here, right? Because I didn't make a combo class. So that's something to watch out for, that you have to make sure that, right? Because I still want you to fix this so it actually looks right. Now, this is obviously not worth 5 points because this is the walkthrough version, but I want you to do this. It'd be nice if the footer stayed attached to the bottom of the page, even if there's not enough content to push there. However, if there is enough content, the footer should not be in the the thing. That one's kind of hard. You need to add more divs and rearrange structure. Okay, yeah, this one's way too hard. It's not just simply adding position fixed. This one is you would have to actually make a flex box around everything and push it down. So I'm actually not going to show that because I don't think it's worth it. The last thing is just that you have to upload the code to your website. So this is where you get the code. Up here, there's this export code button, and you just say prepare your zip. Download your zip, And that's it. You want to make sure that you get it up and running on your website and that all the images and things are all coming up in CSS, right? That's part of it. So that's it. That is using Webflow to create Boss Battle 2.